Why are we going here? We're gonna... Why did you
We're
land this
fine.
here, bro? We're fucking dead. I'm... He's got it!
I'd say I'm already in the ring. Score.
Grab me and go. Rabbit.
Alright.
Dude, don't lose to that Revenant.
I just don't have any shaders on right now, so my performance is cut in half. But it's alright.
Just where do we freaking go, dude? We're gonna win. We're gonna have a fan-freaking awesome match. Howard.
Yeah, baby.
Let's go here.
Let's transfer to that spot.
Quick, those guys are gonna get there before us.
No,
Down!
they're not.
I'm going here.
Let's go over there.
No, don't let him with thing. Grab it. I don't have anything. Watch out!
Ox top.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! No! Like, you know when you decide to hold in a crap in your butt? And you're like, no, now's not the time. I gotta game with my friends. But then you know when you gotta go. Like, if you hold it in any longer, you're just gonna... It's gonna come out as a shotgun shell. No?
Uh-huh.
You love listening to me ramble, don't you?
Yep. Just love talking. I love hearing you talk about shit every single fucking day. My entire life.
Octane, more like... Octa... Dumb.
You're not funny. I don't know why you're laughing. Yeah, it
I got
wasn't
you
funny.
to laugh. I got you to
Why are you
laugh.
chuckling?
I got you to laugh. Yeah, why don't... Let's just take everything, okay? Oh!
Once caught in the area, we have to drop. Signaling my drone back.
Are they over there?
Don't know. They're just near.
Let's go over there.
Let's get a
Yeah.
better spot.
How's that?
Watch out.
Taking fire.
Adding an extra pair of eyes.
Reloading.
I'm kind of taking
Let's
out
watch out.
damage.
Someone destroyed my drone.
Oh, there's people landing on me, dude.
Taking fire.
You're good. I don't think you should punch them.
Yeah, no shit.
Don't pad out.
You idiot, you fucked me.
Thermite grenade.
You fucked me so
Okay.
bad. Come here.
Recharging my shield.
Firing. Thermite grenade.
Yeah, bro. 조심하자.
Yeah, they're over here.
Near me. Recharging my shield. Someone is near me. They may know I'm here.
Get one.
Firing. Crack the bed.
Enemy, get him! Follow, go.
Reloading.
Dude, so...
Reloading. Hold on. Shield recharging.
Someone down. He's right here, he's healing. Alright, he's full.
Bad dude here. And they're healing.
soon. Go. Your aim is so fucking
You shut the
ass.
fuck up.
He's behind.
Executing recon.
Okay, I didn't even get him, but he's far away. Rest me.
Come here. Get in here. Get in here.
No, come here.
Watch your back. I won't always be around.
You idiot! I told you to get in there.
Maybe you could aim right. He's literally just standing there.
He moved right when I shot him,
You don't even
bro.
know what you don't even know what you do. Yeah, you shot him once out of your 500
No,
shots.
I shot him more than once. You idiot. Dude,
okay.
Hey, what's going on?
Signaling my drone back.
Throw an arc star. Crack the vacuum shield.
Other dude's cracked.
That's all of it. Good job, Cobandes.
Pressing. Knocked one.
Killed one.
Dead.
That was the last of their squad. It's hard to survive alone.
Careful, dude. Come back. Cracked one.
Reloading.
Cracked the second one.
Reloading.
Dude, damn it. She had purple.
I already left. I already knew you were gonna fucking.
Dude, I killed him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't see it, so I can't believe it.
You're a fat bastard. You think you own the world, huh? Just think you could just rub your butt on wherever you walk?
Yeah, I can. I rub my nuts on wherever I walk to so low to the ground.
That's cap. You got no nuts. You don't have to lie.
Yes, I do.
You don't have to lie to your best friend. It's fine.
You don't have any nuts. Your nuts are probably like look like a fucking thumb.
Go time.
Alright, come here.
Taking fire. Reloading.
Look at you. No, that's my kill! You fat! Ooh.
The last of them, amigos. Booyah.
Wow.
Shield recharge.
Dude, can I aim?
Arc star.
Recharging my shields.
Step back if you need it.
Taking fire. Crack the vacuum shield.
His friend's almost dead. Going after him.
Wait, you're not ready.
I'm fine. Just you.
Yo, cracked an enemy shield.
There's another one.
They're shooting at me.
Come over. I'm fucking trash too.
Dude, wait again! I'm done. I'm not playing Apex anymore. I'm done. I'm out. Nope, nope, I'm done. Shut your fucking mouth. Shut up. Stop talking. Stop. I'm done.